Hey YouTube scrappers, just out taking some paintball markers apart. See what's inside. Shred. A lot of these guns are old and don't work. So I was given 2 boxes to scrap. Sometimes see what this does. Sometimes if you whack the bolt, it loosens it enough to get it out. Sometimes you just have to beat it out. There. Extrude. Just wondering how everybody else is doing. You know, I put a note on the community page. Just wondering if anybody else is having hard go of it. I don't know what it is. I'm making this video on Wednesday. I think it would be the 19th. So on Monday the 24th, I've got to drive 2 hours plus to see a neurologist to get hopefully a diagnosis of what's going on in my body. So what I'm going through is my hand left side has been shaking a lot. I only get up 9-10 o'clock every morning, and within a couple hours I have to lay down again and have a nap. Don't sleep very well at night. So I'm off work now. Have been off work since March the 10th. So I'm looking at a diagnosis, maybe, if that's what it is, of Parkinson's disease. But I'm not sure. That's why I have to see the neurologist. So I've already filled out long-term disability papers. So that's what's happening in my life. But anyway, if I keep positive, I'll be able to get through it. And I've got a wonderful wife that's helping me. Doing a lot of vitamins and natural stuff. So anyway, I'm not saying this to get sympathy from anybody. I'm just letting everybody know what's going on. And I'll do scrapping as long as I can. As long as my body will allow me to do it. I may have to rethink the way I scrap. And that's why I've been trying to clean this out around, so because sometime soon my mobility won't be that great, and I'm gonna be able to move around out here and been having a hard day today with energy level. So that's old sheet. Oh, missed. Put that in the old sheet as well. So there's pins in here. knock out. Because the pins are all magnet. So that's extrude. So now this should be clean extrude. Oh, no. There's one more thing in it. This is inserted and I can't get it out. It's wedged in there, so I'm just gonna sell this as dirty. So that's what's in the paintball marker. This here is heavy metal. Throw that in my prepared HMS, however you guys call it. And this will probably go as dirty because these things stick and they're not easy to get out, but I've got a few here. And these ends are brass. I guess I can take this apart and see how this goes. Came out a lot better than I thought it was going to. Now this is just old sheet. So yeah, that's it. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.